I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? Guys, give me here with another reaction. Move! Today, guys, we are with Eddy Bomba. Yeah, Eddy Bomba with Wrong Man. Wrong Man. Alright, so I'm gonna jump in the one and see where Eddy I deal with the man. Let's get it!
Where you at now? I want every blood clot thing round. Huh? I'm on it.
Well,
Where you at now? I want every blood clot thing round that deck.
who is the big up?
Every blood clot thing.
Yeah, no.
R.I.P. Teddy Brookshot.
I'm on it. As they break, gonna kill them pussies.
I see it, beard.
Blood clot.
Big up the production team, man. No foul now.
See how I did it for me cat, but me just drop with jag out a black cloud. I me just had a 1 crown. Ice for me neck cause you one house. Rich like say me sell crack, you look crack out. Me probably sell you all a 1 ounce. I the wrong man, you ram proud. Me know you fuck you. Take a cock out a bad mouth. That's how
You know you fuck you, take your cock out of Bob mouth. This is a direct this. Hold on, man. Wait the man. Oh no, wait the man. Oh no, stop rushing up. What I rush me for?
Where you at now?
Where about that though?
I want every blood
Listen, the comment section can help me.
round that deck. Every blood clot thing.
Yeah, no. Huh?
I'm on it. As they break, gonna kill them pussies.
Roger Well. Roger Well. Hey, thank you, comment section. Hold on, man.
pussy how I did it for me cat, but me just drop with jag out a black cloud. I me just had a 1 crown. Ice for me neck cause you one house. Rich like say me sell crack, you look crack out. Me probably sell you all a 1 ounce. I the wrong man, you ram proud.
Man say look crack out, Roger Well. Roger, man say look crack out. Him say, oh, I'm got some more. Got some more. Want that good. Yo, Roger, the man say look crack out. The man say he will probably sell you all a 1 ounce. 1 ounce. 28 grams. Alright, don't ask me, I know that. Me know. Leave me alone. Let's go.
Crack out, crown. Ice for me neck cause you one house. Rich like say me sell crack, you look crack out. Me probably sell you all a 1 ounce. I the wrong man, you ram proud. Me know you fuck you. Take a cock out a bad mouth. That's why him can't find no song now. When I flap up.
Man said that's why you can't find a song, not Nigeria, Bob, Nigeria. Man said that's why you can't find because Roger Well cocky in your mouth, Bomba clot. How the new school a war now? What? A wagwan. Can somebody enlighten me? Wagwan. How the new? This is not like the new school to be warring with each other. This not normally happen. The last war we see in the new school, the young generation, them was Mali and YG. We don't see nothing else from them. Wagwan.
You cock out a bad mouth. That's why him can't find no song now. When I flap out want a 1 crowd. Well, me have it a handout. Yo, shalom.
Where you at now? I want every blood clot thing round that deck. Every blood clot thing.
Yeah, no.
Pussy
I'm on
clot.
it. As they break, gonna kill them pussies.
Shut.
One thing.
Comment section. Hear me I say.
Blood clot.
If any answer to this, jump in the comment section when it drop. Cause yeah.
Pussy how I did it for me cat, but me just drop with jag out a black cloud. I me just had a 1 crown. Ice for me neck cause you one house. Rich like say me sell crack, you look crack out. Me probably sell you all a 1 ounce. I the wrong man, you ram proud. Me know you fuck you. Take a cock out a bad mouth. That's why him can't find no song now. When I flap out want a 1 crowd. Well, me have it a handout.
Man say on the flap out want a 1 cloud. So we alright then 60 cloud you know want. Me have it a handout. See it ya? Come take it.
Can't find no song now. When I flap out want a 1 crowd. Well, me have it a handout. Yo, shalom. Had the whole of them me a jack down. I want to me cause about a girl clown.
Shalom. That's Shalom. You say Shalom, I do one of them in my drag down. So Shalom, big up yourself, Shalom. You give them something. Shalom. You say one of them in my drag down. Everybody I get drag down.
Yo, Shalom, how the one of them me a drag down. I want to me cause about a girl clone.
How the one who?
Shalom, how the one of them me a drag down. I want to me cause about a girl clone.
One time it wasn't with a girl clone. You know, man?
Yo, Shalom, how the whole of them me a drag down. I want to me cause about a girl clone. Me not say where they pick up. Me just babies, right, that's how I make cash. What till I say hot? I feel chill, have a nigga full of rush. Jack Sparrow find the treasure with the map. Champion Jack up, me no reckon for your match. I must say quest time, them a tell us hot.
The man say I must quest time, I'm telling you say not. Big up quest time. Him say I must quest time, I'm telling you say not hot. Cause you not hot better than they even lukewarm. On cold, they don't call up. That's how the G say.
Champion Jack up, me no reckon for your match. I must say quest time, them a tell us hot. We gon' there by 12, yeah, here boy dead. Bust the K9 chest, me no hear my leg. Without dog I sent here, just straight violence. Buck him na the party, I'm finger cheer 9 head. Run the place like Ray, we crack a game like Hegg. Eddy has to take my foot.
Man saying crack the game like Hegg. H-E-G-G, yeah.
Chest, me no hear my leg. Without dog I sent here, just straight violence. Buck him na the party, I'm finger cheer 9 head. Run the place like Ray, we crack a game like Hegg. Eddy has to take me full of flame like hell. Press the K in your face, to your brain like gel. We not afraid I feds. Pussy I went there for me cat, but me just drop me jag out a black cloud. I me just had a 1 crown. Ice for me neck, I say 1 house. Rich like say me sell crack, you look crack out. Me probably sell you all a 1 ounce. I the wrong man, you ram proud. Me know you fucked down. Take a cock out a bad mouth. That's why him can't find no song now. Me no see where they pick up. Me just babies, right, that's how I make crash. You know what till I say hot. I feel chill, have a nigga full of rush. Jack
Where am somebody chain?
You know what till I say
So you're hot.
I feel chill, have a nigga full of rush.
And say your chain I can make your neck full of rash, brother. I say you must say your chain are green. Your chain are red, it's gonna make your neck turn green.
You know what till I say hot. I feel chill, have a nigga full of rush. Jack Sparrow find the treasure with the map. Champion Jack up, me no reckon for your match. I must say quest time, them a tell us hot.
Sick lad. What could I cause this? What could I cause this?
Come in a farid.
New school I go war now. Me there your feet, you know. You know, say me there your feet. Yes. We done done it. So what go on? Something else I go on? Okay. Okay, something else I go on.
No, I'm a deal with trouble, but I wasn't troublemaker. But if you bring trouble, I'm put me a deal with it. They look like more in trouble.
So you were in fights?
As I tell you, say. When trouble come, I'm put me deal with it.
Okay.
Yeah, I have no problem with trouble, so it look like me a troublemaker.
Pussy clad. You know, no problem with trouble, so I look like a troublemaker. Yo! Oh my days. We never well, I don't know, yeah, man. Walk on that music. Walk on with them with the young school them. Big up the young generation them, man. Walk on. Our cause this now, cause this crap of artists, them just live good. Them support each other, them par, you know. So Bob gets shot in another one, yeah. Raja gets shot in another one, yeah. Who else gets shot in another one, yeah? Comment section, help me out there, please. Me kinda used to Eddy G style of being off the beat sometime, most of the time. Me kinda used to him style now, so I'm gonna make it bother me no more. Yeah. But in my chat some things. You know, I say pussy, me not need for cap. Me not no reason for cap, brother. Anything when you hear me talk about that go on, me just drop a jag out of dark clouds. I'm tell you, say him just drag a bat and drop a jag. Bomba class. If anybody reply to him, let me know. Roger Wild, if Roger Wild reply or Bob reply, or let me know, please, in the comment section. You know what I mean? But yeah, this time I'm going to do what I say. If you enjoyed what I want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you want to catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.